Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at the Hyatt place, Bowling Green, Kentucky. As another category 1 or 5,000 points. And it's right in the center of downtown, I believe by the University of Kentucky. We've got a seating area over here. And what do we got here? We got the thermostat. And not sure what's going on with the light fixtures. Looks like they're all kind of bent slightly. And it looks like they switched it over to maybe fluorescent lighting. It's starting to warm up and get a little brighter, but it was, when you turn them on, they're pretty dim. And we got a clock radio. Got some electrical outlets. I don't know if we have any power. USB, sorry. Do we have any USB? Yeah, there's one on the side of the clock radio. We'll see if that works. There's always, almost always one on the TV, if you need one. Some more electrical outlets. Yeah, looks like there's a heat pump in the wall there. Little mini closet, ironing board. Some hangers, extra pillow. Got a TV, some drawers here, and I can hear the fridge running. Yeah, we got a fridge down there. And a bit of a work desk, telephone. Tea and coffee, it looks like down here. There's the pipes, I'm not. Just looking for, oh, the coffee maker's up here, of course. Okay, there it is. And the reason I'm in town is for the Corvette plant tour, which I'll be going on tomorrow morning. Looking forward to that. Looks like the part of the coating on the back of the mirrors come off a little bit. That's all right. Hair dryer's down there. All the towels are over here. Okay, so we got some towels here. And we got the shower. And pretty standard for high, the pump bottles, and a couple more towels up there. And here's the map. And I'll try and remember to run a speed test. The floor's kind of a little slippery here. I don't know if maybe they just polished it or waxed it or something. Okay, let's check out the breakfast tomorrow.
Anyway.